about to go to a place that I really like their pork intestines. I know. It sounds kind of weird, but it is delicious with the sauce. They got a sauce, it's like a bitter spicy sauce. It reminds me of home, you know. It reminds me for all my Laos and Cambodians over there in the States. You know, we used to do the backyard grill, the intestines and the steak, and we used to chop it up, and we used to have the bitter sauce, bro. Right now I'm about to get some from this lady. I'm gonna grab 2, which is 20 baht. So I'm gonna grab one. Man, can I have some though? They grill it right here, and it's a nice contraption because they have a fan that just lifts up all the smoke, so you know their neighbors doesn't get all the smoke. Very clever, very clever. She hooks it up like this. That's that sweet, spicy, bitter sauce right there. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Bye. Now that we got this, we're gonna go eat it. We're gonna go over there and grab something to drink. So this market has like all types of stuff, like, you know, fresh produce. You got your, you know, grilled meats, chicken, you know, any kind of finger food, sausage on a stick, chicken on a stick, like anything you can name, they have it over there. Right now I'm in this place right here. It's like the part next to it. We're gonna go grab ourselves a drink. We're here. We're gonna get at this place because I like this place. There's so many to choose, I don't know what to pick. We're gonna get the mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit?
Yeah. One. Yeah.
Water.
Water? Yeah. We got a drink, we got our food. Now we're gonna pick a spot over there and we're gonna find a place to eat. And I'm gonna tell you guys how this pig intestines taste like. This is pig intestines right here. I know, it sounds freaking weird, but damn, you gotta try it before you bag it. I'm saying it's like eating a tender steak. Now, let's head off to the drink. Damn, that's good. Oh yeah, that's real good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's like 90 something degrees right now, and this smoothie just hits the spot. Hello? Hello?
แม่สาวสุพรรณบุรีเจ้าเดือดร้อนอะไร
Alright, so we got our meal for today. Oh my gosh. So I got some chicken. She stuffed this Sean. It was like a half a chicken, I believe. It was full. This is not that type of chicken you find in the United States. It's that chicken, that's that wild chicken, you know? And I got some kalneo, which is sticky rice, for 5 baht each. I got 3 of these, Sean. Alright, so, oh my gosh, things are just flying everywhere. I'm right in front of the fan, that's why. So I'm guessing this is like the head or something, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is the neck of the chicken. Mmm, tastes like barbecue chicken. Tastes more fresh though. By itself tastes real good, but they got this sauce right here. Wonder what it is. Oh, is this sweet and it's sweet and mild spicy sauce. It's not spicy at all. Like you can taste like a hint of it, but it's more of a sweet, salty sauce. I'm about to eat this John with the chicken. Mmm. That's good. That's real good. Mmm. So this is not your average rice, right? This is sticky rice, not the steamed rice. Sticky rice, you bun, in my language is you ball it up like this and you eat it. It's more harder, more stickier. Bun cow in my language right here. Do that with chicken. Jump, you dip it into the sauce. Boom. You're a true Asian now. The chicken is not salty at all. You know, it has that barbecue taste. It's enough salt, there's not too much salt. Like that taste, it's that taste where you know this guy was alive like this morning. I don't know what part this is. Maybe the thigh? No, not the thigh. It has to be like the shoulders or something. I think we're eating the head. Oh yeah, I think so. These are all parts of the chicken. This is not like a grocery store in the, you know, back in the States where, you know what parts you're gonna get. You know, the thigh, the drum, the wing. Over here, you're getting everything. Everything.